Hello YouTube! Welcome back to Williams Wednesday. Today's game is Safecracker. Well, 826,840 place, and I lost the recording. I already recorded this video, and I had OBS set up in a different mode because I had been playing some VR and I was trying to record that, and so I had the screen set up different and I didn't even pay attention. Started recording, played my 3 games, and yeah, so I'm redoing it. So you missed the big 826,000 game, which was a fluke at best. It was a really good game. It's a shame you missed it. So let's see, Safecracker released by Bally in March of '96. Sold about 1,000 units. Guy did Adam Family Twilight Zone. Same guy did this. Has novelty features to it. It has a board game feature. It's time based. So you have so much time in the beginning, you can drain as much as you want, or as much as you have to in the very beginning. But once you run out of time, it's sudden death. You play until that ball's over. It doesn't automatically drain like you tilt it or something. But yeah, if you light all 3 of the top lanes, you get an extra 5 minutes
until area shutdown.
I don't know if there are other ways to add time, but I know if you can light all 3 of those top rollover lanes, you do get 5 minutes. It's got stubby little flippers and a giant pinball.
14 minutes until area shutdown.
So now I got 2 of those when I drain again, which I will shortly because I suck at this. I'll be able to light that 3rd lane, hopefully.
That was slick.
That was slick, he says.
Real and deep.
Your time is running out.
I know my time is running out. Lock is lit, so that's that left lane. I had, oh there we go, 5 minutes. I had 2 balls locked earlier, and I had lock lit, and I failed to get a multi-ball. That'll lock the ball.
That was not a nice thing to do.
That was not a nice thing to do. How is it not a nice thing to do? I locked the ball. It's a good thing to do. Sudden death. I'm out of time now. If I drain now, game is over. 2 locked balls. And now if I were to light the 3rd lane, oh, I get to go into the game. Now if I were to light a locked lane, or the top lane, if I light all 3 of them, jeepers, I would just get a donut, which is bonus. Now you can do fast stop or slow stop. Oh, I missed it. I waited too long. Hey, I got some money. You get to go like 3 rolls before the guard starts coming after you.
Don't give up.
Oh, he was alerted.
Security guards have been notified of your presence.
Ah, 1.
Please use approved method for candy 2000 access. That's not the way to operate the
Code LQG not found. Now he's gonna roll. Oh, look at, he's right on my butt. And I only get a 2, but I got more money. Now he'll roll a 4, catch up almost. I get a 1. Trigger the alarm.
It's the cops.
Okay, 2 balls are locked, and I missed. The lock light is flashing. Let's see, can I get a lock? It's flashing, but it wasn't lit. What the heck?
Please be careful.
Oh, I got the multi-ball. Oh, they're coming back, so that's cool, because I'm draining because of these tiny freaking flippers. know what I got going on. I can't see nothing. Well, there went that. There went that.
Don't have much time.
10 minutes until area shutdown.
Oh, it gave me some time, did it?
Clock is
I didn't even know that.
Attaboy.
I did not know that.
Let's wheel and deal.
Hey, I'm having a decent game here at least. 400 grand already. I'm almost done. Oh my gosh.
Intruder is now in sudden death.
I am now back in sudden death.
Let's wheel and deal. Clock is lit.
One donut. Oh, one dream nut. My hot tea is no longer hot because I've been out here for quite a while. Smoochie Boochie's Brother Savage.
You have been.
That's a pretty good game. Oh, I got a shot at this. I got a shot at the next collectible. I had no collectibles when I started this morning.
45 minutes until area shutdown.
Got all three of those drop targets instantly. And then I drained instantly.
45 minutes until area shutdown.
Ah! Stubby little flippers, especially this upper one.
That was slick.
Uh-oh, that's draining.
Let's wheel and deal.
25 minutes until area shutdown. 25 minutes until area shutdown.
It said something that
Lock 'em up.
I didn't know. Gosh. I didn't know what it
20
said.
minutes until area shutdown.
I would imagine in real life when people were playing this, they probably
Head for the ramp.
nudged the crap out of this table. These tiny little flippers.
10 minutes until area shutdown.
15 minutes,
Time
lady.
is running out.
The lock is lit.
Is lit.
Drain is lit.
Intruder is now in sudden death.
Close
Area
call.
shutdown is underway.
God, if that ball would have drained a second later, I'd have been done.
Mistake will result in complete termination.
I'm done now anyway.
You have been.
And I didn't get it. Look at that. What do I need? I need 100,000, 150,000. I need 150,000. I thought for sure.
Intruder alert. 45 minutes until area shutdown.
45 minutes.
Attaboy. Let's wheel and deal.
40
150,000 I
minutes
need.
until area shutdown.
Let's lock 'em up. Head for the ramp.
What do you think I'm doing? Head for the ramp. Just because it doesn't look like I'm heading for the ramp doesn't mean I'm not heading for the
Not
ramp.
a nice thing to do.
Bonus 5 minutes, which I needed because I was running out. Oh, playing the game.
Unauthorized.
Playing the game. Yeah, I know.
Hey, look up and play the board game.
Oh, 5, look at that.
Keep going.
10 grand, I needed that.
Security guards have been notified of your presence.
Oh, so it It's because of how far you go, I guess, when the security guard gets them. Oh, I'm within reach. He could get a 6 and catch me. Oh, dog's gonna get me.
Watchdog has been released.
When I played earlier, I had that, and I beat the dog somehow.
Intruder is now in sudden death.
Oh! I had a multi-ball. No, look at this. Just draining. Drain 2 balls at once.
Any mistake will result in complete termination.
No! Well, I got my other collectible anyway. Wow. This is a fun game. It's hard. The stubby little stiff flippers. There's like 1.1 miles between the two flippers. It's an easy drain.
You have been.
But you have that. Look, I got an ATM. Looks like the next one's a burglar. So that's pretty cool. It's not a bad game. It's weird. It's hard. Sometimes you can have a horrible game. All right, so I've already said all this, but I'm going to say it again. So next up on my Williams Wednesday will be Theater of Magic, but tomorrow, Thursday, whatever the date is, June 8th, 2023 will be tomorrow. Whirlwind is coming out. They have announced that Whirlwind is coming out. If it shows up anywhere on this list before Theater of Magic, I'm going to have to play it because it's out of order. Otherwise, if it's down in the list somewhere, I'll play it when I get to it. So, Theater of Magic or Whirlwind. They're also having 2 Zen Originals. They gave a little hint thing. There were like buzzwords about the games, and people are thinking it's Around the World in 80 Days is the first one that they're thinking. Jules Verne is listed on the thing, so. And then the other one is looking like it's some kind of ninja samurai type of thing, because they're talking about swords and stuff. It could be something that people who are in the know will know exactly what it is, and I just don't because I don't pay attention to stuff. But they come out tomorrow, so look for that. If watch the Zen's show, they'll be announcing it. I don't know what time that comes out, but go to Zen's YouTube channel. So anyway, so Theater of Magic or Whirlwind. Saturday, Star Wars Saturday, is going to be the Force Awakens table, as I previously had announced. And then we'll start up again with Marvel Monday, starting Moon Knight for week 7 of all this. It looks like I'm going to go, looks like there's more Williams tables than the other ones, so at some point I'm going to run out of these other ones. So, but anyway, we're going to keep going. We got quite a while to go. This might take us to the end of the year. All right. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget about the show on Sunday night, 7 o'clock Eastern. And check out all the channels in the description below. That's all for now, because I've already shot this video twice now. So thanks for watching. Sorry you missed the big game, and I'll catch you on the next one.